How to use almond face mask to remove wrinkles and dark spots. Almonds benefit your skin because of the nutrients they contain that include a range of vitamins, proteins and minerals. To make anti-aging almond face mask, take 40 almonds. Put them in mixer jar to make fine powder. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons almond powder in a bowl. Almonds are rich in vitamin E. Regular application of almonds nourishes and softens your skin. Almond works great for dry skin. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons yogurt or curd. Curd is used in various face packs as it helps to cleanse the face. Also, it lightens the skin tone. Mix well to make nice paste. How to apply. Apply the paste all over your face. Wrinkles and other signs of aging on the skin can be reduced by applying this pack. Gently rub this mask onto your face and neck. Concentrate on the parts of your face with deep lines. Then wash off with cool water. Your face will instantly look fresh and bright. You can use this mask daily. Almond face pack is an age-old beauty recipe, and women have always relied on almond powder for face and almond paste for face to revitalize their skin. Any almond face pack comes with the benefits of reducing the signs of aging, lightening and nourishing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.